Hi everyone, it's Shel from Scrap Secrets and welcome back to my channel. So I have a real quick video for you to show you a new ink storage system that I got the other day. If you see back here, I have the Stampin' storage units for the Distress ink and the Distress oxide, and I have one of the larger ones over here. These are 60 each, and then I think this is the 120 that I have for the regular ink pads. If you saw some of my videos before, I said that I now have more Distress ink and Distress oxide than fit into those two. And I looked at Stampin' storage and they were super expensive. Now they're really high quality. They are made of wood. So again, yes, they are gonna be more expensive than some of the other options on the market, but they're very well made. They come with the brackets on the back so that you could hang them on the wall. But for me, I was looking at it like, I'm not gonna need another full 61. So I need something else. And a little while ago, I saw on Simon Hurley's video, one of his videos, that he got this ink storage system, and I was like, I love it. And by the time I went to put it in my cart, it was not available anymore. Oh, it was finally when I had to order some stuff for Christmas presents for the girls. And I picked it up, so I'm going to show you guys what I got, and I'm going to tell you the pros and the cons of it, because I know I've only had it since yesterday. I put it together yesterday. I did a video, but today I'm actually dressed up. It is my birthday, and we're getting ready to go out for my birthday dinner, so I was like, I have makeup on, I did my hair, so let's do a face video. I'm also going to try to go ahead and do a crafting video tonight because I was supposed to have one up Friday and didn't because I had a hop on Friday, hop on Saturday, and then Sunday, today being my birthday, that I was like, and I was at my niece's gymnastic competition for the entire morning. So I'm like, I'll try to do one tonight, but you may get 3 next week. So just a warning. Okay, so this is the storage, ink storage that I got. And this is the way right now I'm choosing to store it on my desk. You can also stand it on its bottom, which is great because you can get different effects. But I'm standing it like this, the stair stepper, because I can keep my brushes in here, which is fantastic. So I do have some of the inks and the oxides mixed in here. So it's really just the new colors. I have Crackling Campfire, Kitsch Flamingo, Savage Patina, Rustic Wilderness, Prize Ribbon, Villainous Potion. I do have a Picket Fence in here because that was one of the ones that was like very random, and then Uncharted Mariner, which I have to label. So I do have to get brushes for the couple of inks that I have in there. The Distress oxides all have the brushes. So the pros of this so far, very, very great price point. I think it was $17 or $18. It's off Amazon, so it came in a couple of days, super quick. Now, so that's pretty much right. I mean, I needed something else, so that's a big pro. I think that it is pretty good material for the price. So that's another pro. The cons, it was super difficult to put together. The directions, I don't know, I had them around here somewhere. I don't know if I still have them. Oh, here they are. Let me show you guys. These were the directions. That was it. It's upside down too. Just numbers, and you know, like these go here. Okay. Doesn't say what to do first. It doesn't say, you know, which steps. So that took a while. Also, piece 4 that goes on the front says that there are 2 holes that should be drilled into it, and I got 2 extra screws, but there are no holes. I did read a lot of reviews after the fact, and a lot of people did not have holes in piece 4 either. So the only thing that stinks is that you can pull the front out a little bit because it's not secured on there, so I don't love that. But it's not something that would keep me from buying it again. And now that I know how to put it together, I wish I had done a video on how to put it together, because you guys would have seen me screw up several times. So that is pretty much the ink storage. I just wanted to tell you guys about it, and it is the Pixis Storage Organizer. It's off Amazon. I will leave a link to it below in the description box. And if you guys are looking for something inexpensive, that's hard to put together, but once you get it put together, once you figure it out, you're like, oh, I can kind of see the steps. And if I can remember them, I will put a link, I will list them in the description box on what pieces I put together first, because it doesn't really make sense the way they kind of have the pieces put together, and it doesn't tell you how many of each one are supposed to be in there. So it's not as easy as IKEA furniture putting together. And I have put a lot of furniture together. I put an entire IKEA bookcase together. I've put all of these shelves together. I've put a trundle bed together. And the only thing that was more difficult than this was the trundle bed. So, all right, that is all I had for you guys today. Like I said, you will get another video. You'll get either 3 videos this week, or we'll catch up at some point for the 2022 Countdown to Christmas series. And I will see you guys again real soon in another video. Bye!